Welcome to example number 3. Here we are given 3 vectors, A, B, and C. And I want to determine 2 numbers, A and B, little a and little b, such that the equation written here is satisfied. At first sight, it may appear a bit strange that I have 2 unknowns, little a and little b, and there's only one equation, and we have to determine 2 unknowns from one equation. However, this is not really one equation, but it is 2 equations in the 2 unknowns. You have to recall that if a vector is equal to another vector, if 2 vectors are equal, then the x components are equal and the y components are equal. So here, if this vector AA plus BB plus C equals 0, this means that, so AA plus BB plus C equals 0, this means that the x component of this vector, that is A plus BB plus C, the x component must be 0. And also, the y component must also be 0. So this means that AX plus BX plus CX equals 0, and AY plus BY plus CY equals 0, which gives AX is 1, so this is A, BX is 2, so plus 2B, and CX is 1, so plus 1 equals 0, and this gives AY is 0, plus BY is 1, so that's B, plus CY, which is 1, equals 0. So this means B equals minus 1 from this equation. And since if B is minus 1, then this is A minus 2 plus 1 equals 0, then A equals 1. So we found A and B. You can go and check to see that you got it right. You put A equal 1, so this is a check. Put A equal 1, so that's A, plus B is minus 1, so A minus B, plus C, is it equal to 0? So A is 1, 0, minus 2, 1, plus 1, 1. You look at the x components, 1 minus 2 plus 1, that's 0. And add the y components, 0 minus 1 plus 1, 0. So it works. Thank you for listening.